everybody, it's Eddie over here at Indian Head Chrysler. So a couple of weeks ago we did a video on an update on the used inventory. So today we're going to take a look at our new inventory. So it's been kind of low here at the dealership, but within the last week and a half we've been getting regular shipments, full shipments, trucks. If you're looking for a truck, we've got 3500s, 2500s are on the way, and we got a great selection of premium Ram 1500 trucks. Laramies, Limiteds, Longhorns, Sports. I know the Sports have been absolutely difficult to find. We got them. We got a nice selection too. We got this super nice 2022 Rebel Eco Diesel on the lot right now as well, which is absolutely beautiful inside. 12-inch screen, all the goodies. Some of these haven't even been unwrapped. I'm just going to switch around here. Some of the trucks behind me, we haven't even been able to get programmed and ready to go, all cleaned up. But we got them on the lot. If you want to come take a look at them, we can do that quickly and get you test driving whatever you want here. I'm going to take a look at two different trucks. One of our heavy duty trucks, which is this Laramie 3500 right behind me here, absolutely loaded up. And we're going to take a look at a nice Laramie half ton with all the goodies. Here we go. All right, so the first truck we're going to look at is this 2022 Ram 3500 Laramie. This has the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel, and it's absolutely loaded up. You have your power boards. It includes a sport appearance package, so it blacks out or color matches the bumpers. You have the spray-in liner there with the fifth wheel prep already loaded up in there. You have your backup camera and the top camera as well above the brake light. There's your boards coming down, like I said. Super nice feature to have. Black interior. You gotta love these Laramie interiors. They have the perfect amount of different materials. So you got your leather here. You have your suede little inserts on the seats there as well. Heated seats in the back. Controls right there. You got under seat storage as well as in-floor storage on both sides. So you can put your tow hooks, tie down hooks, whatever you carry around. You got your proximity unlock right here. Very nice interior. Power seats, of course. Laramie embroidered seats. And the big, huge mid-console wireless phone charger and the huge 12-inch UConnect screen. And this does have the new UConnect 5 version, which is, if you're used to using a smartphone, which everybody is now, well, most people, then you're going to love the UConnect 5 system. Super easy to use. If you want to come to take this one for a test drive, give me a shout. We're going to take a look at the 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie next here. All right, the next truck that we're looking at here is this absolutely gorgeous 2022 half ton. This is a Laramie with the night edition package added on. So you have the sports performance hood. It basically makes it look a lot like a sport, but with all the goodies that the Laramie gives you. Blacked out grille, LED lighting, of course. You got your black rims. This one has the steps already added on. Crew cab. So I'll give you tons of room in the back. Dual exhaust tips, and you see all the badging being blacked out, so it looks sort of like a sport. Very similar interior to the half ton, with it being the Laramie trim. Heated seats in the back again. This one has a huge dual pane panoramic sunroof, proximity entry, has the upgraded Harman Kardon 19 speaker system, memory seating as well, and of course the power seats, nice big mid console, your cell phone wireless charger there. And this one is running, so we're going to take just a second inside here so I can show you that new version of the UConnect. So this is UConnect 5. You can essentially set this up however you want. That's the best part of this new version, is that you can customize it however you want. So if you wanted to add another page here, we're going to add another page. You can choose the layout of the new page. Let's just choose this one just to make it easy. And then you can put whatever widget you want on there. You want the navigation, or do you want the, let's put now playing on top. That'll be your stereo. And let's add your seats on the other side. That'll control all your heated and vented seats, as well as your steering wheel. And then you just swipe. There's all your pages right there. So absolutely amazing. It's got connectivity, so if you use Alexa at home, you can use it right on here as well. Amazing software updates. They revamped the whole thing. So from what I've seen, from all the training I've done, this is going to be, and from just speaking to customers and selling vehicles with the new UConnect 5, they absolutely love it. So great truck. Again, on our lot right now. You don't have to wait for anything. You can come down, test drive it, and take it. So there you go. That's a quick look at our new inventory levels. This is just some of the great vehicles that are on the lot here. We've got other things too. If you're looking for a Cherokee, we got them. If you're looking for a Jeep Wrangler, a Gladiator, that's one of those rolled out yesterday or the day before yesterday. Dodge Durangos, we got those as well. So whatever you're looking for, definitely give us a shout, because even if we don't have it, we'll bring it in for you. But if you've been on the hunt for a new truck, we've got them right now. They're sitting here and they're ready to roll out. So give us a shout. We'll work out a great deal with you. And with the purchase, don't forget $30,000 sweepstakes draw happening at the end of December. We got 2 months left. And in those 2 months, if you buy a truck or any vehicle on our lot, you get entered. And we're going to have one winner, one lucky winner, $30,000 at the end of December. All you got to do is buy a vehicle. Where else can you get that? Give us a shout. 306-695-2254 is our number here. You can check us out online. Our website, www.ihchrysler.ca. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or whatever social media platform you're looking for. We're there. So hopefully we see you soon.